Hello my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome back to my new video. Here in this video we are going to discuss about the while loop. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us just start the video. Okay, so here is our source file, and now let me just get rid of this file. Okay, so here I'm gonna write in the comments what we are going to do in this program to make use of while loop. Okay, so here start with the header file. Okay, here is a standard input output header, and now here put a main function which is of void type, so that our main function will not return any value. Okay, now put here braces, and now here I'm gonna declare a variable and give it a name. I'm giving here x. Okay, and now here we'll be taking input through the user, so I'm using here a print statement and a scanf statement. Okay, now scanf statement and %t for the int type, and put here a comma and with the ampersand x to store the entered value in our x variable. So now in here I'm gonna use a while loop. For this you have to write while, and inside the bracket you have to give a condition. Okay, here I'm giving x equals 10. Okay, and now put here braces, and anything, any operation, any statement you wanna execute here, you can write here. Okay, inside the braces of the while loop. Okay, so I'm giving here a print statement, and let me write here something. I'm writing here loops in C. Okay, and now let me just run this program. This is the simplest program for the while loop. Okay, so I'm running this program. Okay, there's an error. Okay, here we have to put the semicolon in the place of colon. Okay, this is running, and here we have to give the value of x. So if our value or entered value actually is 10, then our loop will execute, otherwise not. Okay, so I'm giving here 10 first, hitting here enter. Okay, and here as you can see our loop is going to the infinity, and it will keep on running till the memory of my PC is full. Okay, why it is going to the infinity? Because our loops treat the positive integers as always true. Okay, and here our value is not changing. Every time it is reading x equals 10, and which is true always, and this is the reason our program is running to the infinity. Okay, so now here let me just change the condition a little bit. Here I am giving x less than equal to 10, and here I'm using the increment of the x variable. Okay, x plus plus, and put here a semicolon. Okay, so now let me just run the program again, and now here let me just write a value which is less than 10. Here I'm giving 5, so that our loop can move from 5 to 10. Okay, let me just hit enter. Okay, our program is running very well, and it is printing loops in C many times. Okay, let me just change the format a little bit. Here I'm using \n. Now you can see the output easily. Okay, here you have to write enter x, and here I'm giving 5, and here is the result. Okay, our loop is starting from 5 and it is going to 10. That means 6 values, and here as you can see loops in C is printed. Okay, this means our program is running very well. Okay, let me just change the program a little bit also, and now let me just declare here a variable. Okay, here I'm declaring y, and we are also taking the value of y from the user. Okay, so let me just copy these statements, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, and at the place of 10 I'm giving here y. Okay, and let me just change the statements here. Enter initial point, and here I'm giving enter final point. And now let me just change the name of the variable from x to y here, and now let me just run the program. Okay, here you have to give the initial point. Here I'm giving 5. Okay, and at the final position I'm giving here 20. Okay, so now our loop will move from 5 to 20. Okay, let me now hit here enter, and here as you can see our loop is running very well. Okay, it is printing here loops in C 16 times actually, because it is moving from 5 to 20. Okay, so this is all for the while loop, and in our next video we will learn about the do while loop, which is very much similar to the while loop. Okay, this is Shoaib signing off, and I will catch you in the next video.